children, welcome to your social studies class. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and today we will be doing the lesson number 9, safety sense, on page number 49. Okay, now this lesson is very important. I don't want you to just read it, write it and mug it up and learn it, but I also want you to practice it because it is an important lesson and it is for your good. ये आपके फ़ायदे के लिए है. Rules are for our own good. Okay, now let's start reading. Staying safe is very important. Carelessness leads to accidents. Okay, what is this sentence saying? That staying safe is important. Carelessness leads to accidents. What does carelessness lead to? Accidents. If we are not attentive, if we are not paying attention, if we are being careless, हम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे, it can lead to accidents. To prevent accidents, we should follow safety rules. If we follow safety rules, there will be no accidents. Can you see on the road when you are with your parents, there so many accidents take place? Why? It is because people are not following the rules. If they follow the rules, there will be no accidents. Okay, now let's read further. Safety rules should be followed everywhere, not only outside your home but also at home also. Okay, in school, in the playground and on the road, wherever you are, you have to practice safety rules, and if you follow these rules, there will be no accidents. Safety on the road. Walk on the pavement. Pavement means footpath or sidewalk. Okay, pavement means footpath, जो किनारे का रास्ता होता है. Where should we walk? In the middle of the road? Should we walk in the middle of the road? No, we should walk on pavements or footpaths or sidewalks. Where there is no pavement, walk on the right side of the road. But if there is no footpath or no pavement, we should walk on the right side of the road. हमें right side चलना चाहिए of the road, not in the middle of the road. Okay, बीच में नहीं. Then the next one is, do not play or run on the road. We should never run, never play on the road. Okay, even if you are living in colonies, okay, you have to be very careful in not running on the road, because anytime any bike or any scooter or any car can come and it can harm you. Okay, so don't play or run on the road. To cross safety, look to the left, okay, then to the right. When you want to cross safely, we should look both the sides, on the left and then to the right and then to the left again. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. We have to be very careful in crossing the road, and if you are too small, okay, and I'm sure you all are very small, 5 years or 6 years old, you have to be very careful. Don't cross the road alone. Have someone elder to you who can help you cross the road. But what you have to do while crossing the road, don't just start walking. Okay, you have to walk on the, while crossing the road, walk on the zebra crossing, look to your left, look to your right and then left again. Okay, and then cross the road. Can you see this boy over here? He's playing in the middle of the road. This is very dangerous. Don't do it. Can you see this boy, this person? We should walk on the zebra crossing while walking on the road or crossing the road. Okay, now come to the next place. While traveling in a bus, never put your hand or head out. When you are in a bus, okay, or in a car or anywhere, okay, we should not put our hands outside or our head outside. We can get badly injured. If a bus or a car is coming from behind, it can hit your hand and it can hit your head. So don't put your hand outside, don't put your head outside when you are in a car, in a bus, in a van or anywhere. Be very careful. Then the next point is, Always stand in a queue to wait for a bus. While you are getting on the bus, stand in a queue. Don't rush in, don't push others, but stand in a queue means एक लाइन में खड़े होना. Then the next one is, do not try to board or get off a moving bus. If you are on a bus, okay, don't let the bus stop and then you step down. Okay, it's you might have seen many people, they get on the bus when it's on the road and it's moving, they get off the bus when it's moving. Even in trains also you might have seen people get on the train while it's moving, they get off the train while it's moving. This is very dangerous. जब ट्रेन जा रही होती है या बस जा रही हो, आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत से लोग चलती चलती बस में, चलती ट्रेन में चढ़ जाते हैं, उतर जाते हैं, एंड सो मैनी एक्सीडेंट्स take place because of this. But you are good children, and I know that you all will follow the rules. So while boarding or getting off a moving bus, don't get off a moving bus. Okay, let the bus stop. बस को रुक जाने दीजिए, तब उतरिए या तब चढ़िए. Right? Then talking loudly to the driver disturbs him. Okay, when you are in a bus or when you are with your parents in a car or in a scooty, don't talk loudly. Okay, because maybe the bus driver and or your father or your mother while driving, they have to concentrate on the road. उनको जो है गाड़ी चलाते समय ध्यान देना होता है रोड पे. If you talk loudly, अगर आप ज़ोर से बोलेंगे तो वो डिस्टर्ब होंगे और उससे भी एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं. इवन जब पेरेंट्स जो है स्कूटी चलाते हैं या कार चलाते हैं, स्कूटर चलाते हैं, बाइक, आपको जो हैंडल है या स्टेयरिंग व्हील है उसको छूना नहीं है, ब्रेक्स को छूना नहीं है, गेयर्स को छूना नहीं है. यू शुड नॉट बी टचिंग एनीथिंग और डिस्टर्बिंग योर पेरेंट्स while they are driving, or even disturbing the bus driver also. Okay, then maintain silence in the vehicle. Wherever you are, as I told you, in a car, on a scooty, on a bus, on a train, maintain silence, don't shout. आराम से बात करें. Right? Okay, now see, there are few this is an activity. Draw and label any 4 road signs. I have made 3, one you make. Okay, I have made 3. You can copy it in your book, or you can copy any 4 from anywhere and you can draw it in this page number 50. Okay, now come to the next page number 51. Safety in the playground, the place where you play. Do not do doubles on the swings. When you are playing on the swinging on the swing, a single child should be there. No 2 child should be not there. The string can break, this wire can break, and you can fall and get hurt very badly. Only one at a time. Okay, never talk to strangers in the playground. Keep close to your parents and neighbors. Okay, we should never talk to strangers. हमें ऐसे लोगों से बात नहीं करनी है जिसे हम नहीं जानते. हो सकता है वो आपसे बहुत अच्छे से बात करें, पर आपको उनसे बात नहीं करनी है. मे बी द स्ट्रेंजर हु आर स्ट्रेंजर्स, पीपल, अनजान लोग जिन्हें आप नहीं जानते, मे बी दे आर टॉकिंग टू यू वेरी नाइसली, बट यू शुड नॉट टॉक टू देम. यू शुड बी क्लोज टू योर पेरेंट्स एंड नेबर्स. ऑल राइट. देन डू नॉट प्ले इन द प्ले ग्राउंड आफ्टर इट्स डार्क. जब रात हो जाती है, इट्स डार्क, ओके, एंड यू कांट सी एनीथिंग क्लियरली, डोंट प्ले at night, when very late at night. Play before the sun sets. Before the sun sets in the evening, play before that. Do not push or pull while playing. Give everyone a chance to enjoy the swings. Do not push when somebody is on the swing. Do not pull. Okay, let the person who is, or the child or your friend, your brother or sister who is on the swing, let that person enjoy. And when your turn comes, जब आपकी बारी आए तब आप उस पर swing करें. Okay, safety at home and in school. Do not play with sharp objects such as scissors and knives. Do not jump on desks and benches. We should, as being small children, you should not use scissors and knives. Even while doing craft work, take the help of your elder brothers and sisters, and they should be quite elder, not not like not even 8 or 7 years old. Elder means above 15 or 16 years old. Okay, take their help, and don't jump on desks and benches at home or even at school also, especially at school. Don't jump and break anything and get yourself hurt. Page number 52. Never touch electrical objects. Okay, you should, being a small boy or a girl, you should not touch electrical objects. Okay, you can get a shock. Okay, you can get current, and that will damage your body very badly. You can get hurt very badly. Do not play on the rooftop. When you are on the rooftop, जब आप अपनी छत पे होते हैं, first of all, do not be alone. अकेले ना हो. Have someone elder to you, and do not play there. It is very unsafe. You can fall down. Okay, and if you are playing, have someone, have your parents or somebody with you, and whatever instructions they give to you, listen to them. Do not scribble on desks or wall. When you are in your school, or even when you are at home, don't scribble on the wall or on the desk. What do you mean by scribble? Scribble means कि दीवार पे कुछ लिखना, डेस्क पे कुछ लिख देना. उससे क्या होगा? What will happen? Your wall at your home, in your school, will get dirty. Your table in your home or at your school will get dirty. Okay, and it will damage many things. So these were some very important points that we have to keep in mind. ये बहुत important चीज़ें हैं. For your school, at home, on the road, everywhere, you have to follow the safety rules everywhere. Why? Because it is for your own good. ये आपके खुद के लिए ही बहुत अच्छा है. If you follow the safety rules, there will be no accidents. If you obey your parents, your elders, your teachers, there will be less problems. Okay, less accidents, less getting hurt if you obey the rules. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the lesson. God bless you and take care.